you want me to help you put together the birdhouse?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Okay, look. We've got the paint, and we've got the wood. Jamie's opening it. All right, let's figure out which ones are the base and the side panels.
I think this is one of the roof panels.
That looks like, yeah, that does look like a roof panel. Is there another one?
Yep. I found this.
Those look like the front and back panel, Jamie.
Yeah.
And
no, it's how you.
That's where the birds fly in. That was the front panel where the bird flies in.
And this is the back one.
That's right. Okay, so then
Let's sort.
the base one, I think, is this one with the two slats because you have to put the front and the back in it. To see the slats?
Yes, it says base.
Ilea got the glue in. Okay, you got it. Okay, now let's just press down gently. And we need to get the glue into those holes.
Like this?
For the roof, yeah. And you also probably need some glue on this side as well. Okay, now we've got the base together and we're trying to put the roof on. And we've got some glue in the little holes there. Yeah, all right, now get that part, the other half of the roof. Fill the little
Facing
holes.
this way?
Yeah, fill it so that the angled part meets in the center with the other angled part. Okay, now turn it over so that you can put the holes on the little bit, the
like
rods.
this?
Yeah, except make sure, yeah, that's right. That looks about right.
Like this?
Yeah. I think, doesn't this little rod here go on the end? There's a string. Oh, Ilea's found the string. Okay, awesome.
It was holding the wood together.
Somehow. Oh, that's right. It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is it here that we need to put the wood in, or is it down there?
I
I think it's there. I think we're gonna hang it, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
And so yeah. What else have we got there? Oh, did you get it through? Okay, I will tie a bow on it in a few minutes. Actually, can you just put the glue in that hole? And then that might be easier. And then I will lay it inside. It's ready to be decorated, painted, and all the rest. Let's start with painting though, okay? Can you guys open those pots and take turns with painting it different parts with colors?
I love red, orange, and yellow, so I'm gonna open red, orange, and yellow.
Okay. Which part's going to be red, orange, and yellow? The roof? Okay, now we've got some plastic sheet down.
Doing purple.
Oh. Purple.
And next I'm gonna do red.
So what color do you want the roof to be?
Red.
Okay, well you're gonna have a lot of painting to do. Okay, let Jamie do the other side, Ilea. That's his turn. Right, Jamie D? Okay. You're gonna get that bit?
I'm gonna make one of this one a stripey bit. Because I like stripes.
Okay, so you're making little stripe decorations.
Yeah.
What color are the other two sides gonna be, Jamie?
The other two sides are gonna be yellow and green.
Okay.
One
Okay.
big blue stripe in the middle.
You got the side done? Most of it? It's yellow? Jamie painted bluebirds on the side?
Yeah, you painted a
Yeah.
bluebird on the roof.
So you're doing it kind of both green and blue.
Now I'm gonna paint some green glue.
So it's kind of almost like an impressionist back.
Be quiet.
Like Monet or something. You know what I'm talking about.
Be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh. You're trying to concentrate. It's your masterpiece up, right?
Yeah.
Well, of course.
It's a masterpiece. Paint it, Jamie. Paint it.
Well, that's relatively clever there, what you've done at the back. Okay.
Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at how adorable it is.
It is not adorable.
Okay.
Trying to concentrate.
Okay. I will stop laughing.
concentrate.
I say that and then I laugh again.
When I'm concentrating, I do not like people laughing at me.
It's very serious business.
It's very, very serious.
Very serious. Okay.
It's a very hard
Green and blue.
Yeah.
It's very impressionistic. It's very Monet. Well, I like that. That's really
I'm trying to mix
interesting.
green and blue so I can really make teal for these things.
Oh, but it looks nice like that. There's a make teal. Okay. Jamie, what are you doing? Jamie! Jamie! Earth calling Jamie! Come in, Jamie! What are you up to?
I'm trying to see what it looks like on the roof.
Oh, you're examining your handiwork on the roof.
Guess
Okay.
what? I put a bird on the roof and lots more.
I see that. You've got 3 birds actually.
3 birds? No, 4 birds.
Okay. Well,
4 birds. I got 4 birds.
all right.
Bye.